an instant confidence boost? Well, thank you for joining me for this confidence boosting technique. And I'm glad that you came to my lovely city of Chicago. Beautiful view, isn't it? Don't miss our Lake Michigan. You know, it takes a certain level of confidence to operate in a big city like this one. But it takes a certain level of confidence to give an elevator speech in front of a Chamber of Commerce group, or to talk to the Little League team, or to go head to head with your kids, or to make a point with your friends. When you need that confidence boost, this do-it-yourself hypnosis technique is a step in the right direction. I'll talk you through it in just a moment, and then you'll have it, and it's yours to use where and when you need it the most. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board-certified hypnotist, and I will talk you through it now so that you can do it for yourself. Hypnosis. In a moment, I'll ask you to close your eyes, but closing your eyes is only necessary to help your imagination function. It blocks out visual input. You can truthfully do this process eyes open or closed. You can do it just before you need it the most. And if you're going to do it with me now with your eyes closed, you can only do that if you're not driving or operating heavy machinery. Duh. If you can close your eyes, go ahead and do that now. And take in a nice breath, just so you can settle yourself. Imagine that goal that you have for yourself, that goal where you need a higher degree of confidence. And now, there in your imagination, imagine a slightly more confident you sitting or standing there in front of you. This you has already taken the first step to make the change to be more confident, to reach your goal. Now imagine stepping into that more confident you. See through their eyes, hear through their ears, feel that confidence building up in you. And now notice that right in front of you is an even more confident you there, standing, sitting maybe a little taller. There's more self-belief behind their eyes. There's more charisma. Now step into that confident you and notice in front of you is an even more confident you, more passion, more power, more ease, more comfort, more security in noticing this change is real. Now imagine an even more confident you and step into this more confident you again and again and again until you are overflowing with that confidence and belief in your ability to make the change you desire. Notice how you're using your body now, how you're breathing, the expression on your face, the light in your eyes. Notice how you believe in yourself. Hold on to that belief and bring it all back with you. And when you have it, open your eyes only as slowly as you bring that belief back with you. Notice your body. Is your head held a little higher? Do you have a little more excitement in your body? A little more charisma? A little more belief? Now, if you're working on overall confidence, do this technique first thing every morning and last thing every night, stepping into that more confident image of yourself. And use this technique for an instant confidence boost right there where and when you need it the most. It's yours. You've learned it from the inside out. Now you can use it to empower yourself. That's what do-it-yourself hypnosis is all about, self-empowerment. I'd love to hear how you succeed using this technique. Let me know at Karen@KarenHand.com. I look forward to hearing from you.